Periodic matrix. A matrix A is called a periodic matrix if A to the power of k plus 1 becomes equal to the original matrix A, where k is called the period of the matrix. So let's say if you are writing A to the power of 4 plus 1 is equal to A. So in that case, the period will be 4. Or rather, say suppose if you are writing some A to the power of 7 is equal to A. Then if I ask you, tell me what is the period of this matrix, what will you say? You will say that I can bifurcate it and I can write in this manner, that is 6 plus 1 times is equal to A. And if we compare from this, I will say that here k is equal to 6. And hence we can say that the period is 6 and so on. Okay. So another type of matrix, we have a singular matrix, also known as non-invertible matrix. What does it mean? It means that you cannot find the inverse of this matrix. What is a singular matrix? If you find the determinant and if that determinant comes out to be 0, I will call that matrix to be singular matrix. And just the opposite of that, if the determinant of the matrix is not equal to 0, we will call the matrix to be non-singular matrix. And since the determinant is not equal to 0, of course you can simply find the inverse of this, provided it is a square matrix. So of course it has to be a square matrix, because unless and until it is a square you cannot find the determinant. Fine. So it's also pre-assumed. So non-singular matrix is also known as invertible matrix, that is you can find the inverse of this matrix. So these were some other special types of matrices, which is periodic, singular and non-singular. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye.